Welcome children. I am very happy to meet you again through this online class. Today we are going to learn about estimation of numbers. But before that we will see a small recap on use of large numbers in daily situations. Recap. Use of large numbers in daily life situations. You already know about this. We know to apply 4 basic operations on numbers. We will see 4 more examples which deal with the 4 operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Now, today we are going to see the estimation of numbers. Nearly 60,000 people watched the Republic Day parade at Rajpath, New Delhi. About 2,80,000 people of various countries died due to earthquake and tsunami on 26th December 2004 in the Indian Ocean. The third situation is the India-Pakistan cricket match was viewed by about 30 million cricket fans in the television all over the world. We often come across statements like this in TV channels and details. Do these news items give the exact numbers? No. The numbers mentioned are not accurate. This is the reason why we generally use words like about, nearly, approximately. The word about denotes the number, not exactly, but a little more or less. This value is called estimated value. Now, what is a rounding off numbers? A rounding off is one way to find a number for estimation that is quite convenient. It gives us the closest suitable number according to a given place value. There are 4 steps involved in the rounding process. Now, what are the 4 steps? See the example 1. Round off the number 8,436 to the nearest hundreds. Step to do. First step 1 will see. Find the digit in hundreds place. 8,436. Step 2. Look at the digit to its right. 8,436. So 4 is underlined. Now step 3. If the digit is 5 or greater and 1 to it, add 1 to it. If it is less than 5, leave it unchanged. Now 8,436, which is greater? 3 less than 5. So leave 4 unchanged. Step 4. Change the digits to the right of 4 to zeros. So answer 8,400. Now we'll see the example 2. Round off the number 78,794 to the nearest thousands. Step 1. Find the digit in thousands place. What's the number? 78,794. This is step 1. Step 2. Look at the digits to its right. 78,794. So 8 you have to underline. Step 3. If this digit is 5 or greater, add 1 to it. If it is less than 5, leave it unchanged. So 78,794. So 7 greater than 5. Add 1 to 8 and change 8 to 9. Step 4. Change the digits to the right of 79 to zeros. So answer 79,000. Now we will see the estimation of sum and difference. Generally, to estimate the sum or difference, we round off each number to its greater place and then calculate the sum or difference of the rounded off numbers. Sum means adding two numbers, difference means subtracting two numbers. That you know very well. Now see the example 1. The amount deposited by a gold merchant in his bank account in the month of January is rupees 17 lakhs 53,740, and in the month of February is 15 lakhs 34,300. Estimate the sum and difference of the amount deposited to the nearest thousand. Now we'll see the answer. Actually, the 4 steps you have to follow. Actual amount is given, estimated amount you have to find out. Now, amount deposited in January. Actual amount is 17 lakhs 53,740. So estimated amount 17 lakhs 54,000. Now amount deposited in February 15 lakhs 34,400. Estimated amount 15 lakhs 34,000. So total amount deposited. What you have to do? Add both amount. So add both amount. What should come? 32 lakhs 88,140. So estimated amount 32 lakhs 88,000. So this add will come answer. Now difference between the amounts deposited. What you have to do? The first amount minus second amount. So that will come difference. So what you will get it? Actual amount 2 lakhs 19,340. So estimated amount 2 lakhs 20,000. You can do in home. Understood, children? Okay. Now we'll see the example 2. The population of a city was 43 lakhs 43,645 in the year 2001 and 46 lakhs 81,087 in the year 2011. Estimate the increase in population by rounded off to the nearest thousand. So this is the question. Now answer. Population in the year 2001 is equal to 46 lakhs 81,087. Rounded off the values nearest thousands. What will get? 46 lakhs 81,000 will get it. Now population in the year 2011 is equal to 43 lakhs 43,645. Round off value nearest thousand. What will get it? 43 lakhs 44,000. So now increase in population. What you have to do? Subtract both the value. So first 46 lakhs 81,000 minus 43 lakhs 44,000. You subtract, what will get answer? Is equal to 3 lakhs 37,000. You get the answer. Understood, children? Thank you, children.